I'm Karina with Let Us Live. Today I want to talk to you about cucumbers, how to maintain and keep your production growing all throughout the growing season. It's June in Houston and it's really hot, and so many of us find ourselves with two things. We either have powdery mildew or we have potassium deficiencies. Cucumbers are heavy feeders, which means they produce a lot of fruit and they're pulling a lot of nutrients from the soil. So we need to continue to fertilize them, and we want to increase their potassium. I do that with banana peels. You can add banana peels to your soil or your compost and produce the potassium that the cucumbers need. Also, we suffer from powdery mildew during rainy seasons, and you can use neem oil. So how do I know that I may be suffering from a potassium deficiency? You look at this leaf right here and you see brown spots. The leaves are a little bit harder. They're yellowing up the leaves. Oftentimes that's an indication of potassium deficiency. What you want to do is you would cut up a few bananas like so. The only thing we're going to do is we're going to cut these bananas up into small pieces. The reason we want to cut them up is so that it breaks down faster, and that then it will release the nutrients into the soil faster. So I'm going to take a handful of these banana peels that I've cut up, and I'm just going to dig a little hole around the stem of the cucumber plant. And then I'm going to sprinkle that directly into the soil, and then we're going to cover that up, and over time that'll break down. Now, as far as powdery mildew, you'll see white spots, or what you see is like gray spots. It looks just like mildew or mold. You'll find those on the leaves. As soon as you see that, you want to clip them and remove the leaves. That spreads really fast, and so how we address powdery mildew is with neem oil. You're going to get about 2.5 teaspoons to a gallon of water and spray. It's a foliar spray, so you're going to spray them directly on the leaves, or pour water or pour your mixture directly on the leaves, and that will help you have a long growing season. Banana peels and addressing your powdery mildew with neem oil. Remember, let us live.